So I'm Huxley Colt, Sales and Marketing Manager here at Safetylyne. I work with the sales and marketing team, started on the tools and then worked my way up. One of the main things that really resonates with people we partner with is they want to remove that checking of boxes. It's removing of the handballing between multiple stakeholders and subcontractors and third parties, trying to really vertically integrate that holistic team, someone that can deliver that end to end. Taking roof safety and building access from a couple of line items in the scope to something that actually works.
Looking back over the 25 years, what we're thankful to have is a team that has the ability to adapt to legislative and market trends, and with the ability to solve the complexities that might come across our path, and we come out winning every time.
After initial consultation, it's really about establishing that design and the solution or the different options it's going to achieve. This then goes to the proposal involving our project consultants and those of the projects team, which will be able to understand which solution is going to best fit what you're looking for. Then that moves into initial design and engineering. During that time, the team collaborates to ensure we're all aligned on the outcome that we're all looking for. Then that goes through to manufacture and fabrication, then leads into the delivery and install of the project. That could include multiple stages of install or integration with other trades. The projects team then deliver that solution on site. That could involve multiple stakeholders involved in permits on the site. That could be site constraints on the delivery. The site could be in the middle of Australia or on one of the Pacific Islands. Either way, the same process still applies. Once that project's then delivered on site, we then have a handover to the client that could involve training a custom PPE or user operation system.
There's a few projects that come to mind. Predominantly, they've all come the same way, where we've got that call on a Friday afternoon. Potential clients desperate. No one can come up with a solution. Safetylyne goes to the drawing board, comes up with a solution, something that works for them, fits their budget, and we can deliver on the timeframes that they're looking for. We can also adapt our designs to suit other complexities of a project that no one addressed yet. Recently we were engaged on a project which had specialist teams from overseas. They had a need that was like the rock in the shoe. They couldn't find a solution. We got that phone call, "Hey guys, can you help us?" So we went and saw them and we came up with a solution. It's been installed, they've handed the project over to the client and everybody's happy. What we provided was an engineered solution that they couldn't get from anybody else. We collaborated with the engineers and the design team and the project management team. We completed the project within the time schedules and on budget. We now have another happy client.
As we build our team to deliver these projects like this on a national scale, we look to hire based off culture, not just capability. With a team of specialists and subject matter experts, there's that element of collaboration and confidence, understanding the Safetylyne DNA, having that can-do attitude. There's always a solution. And I guess the most exciting thing is moving forward, the amount of industries and other markets that are yet to experience our approach to projects or delivering solutions. And it's exciting to be a part of unlocking potential for clients, working with them on their side to deliver things that have never been done before.